The fuselage breech is here, just forward of the wing. We hook the crane here and here.
Confirmed. The stress points match the schematics. Slow hoist! Watch the starboard line! Hold, hold!
Roger, lowering now.
Easy on the starboard side, watch the tail hook.
Lower, easy now, easy. Alignment looks good, keep it steady. She's almost home.
Holding steady at 1.8 millimeters, it's breached the first layer.
Okay, note the coordinates. We'll need a secondary reading here.
Engine assessment complete. Close inspection of turboprop engine reveals corroded turbine blades and significant salt deposits.
Is that the serial right here?
Yes, Mike 88, documenting the corrosion on the strut now.
Okay, and scan the component for the database.
Look at the pitting here. The exfoliation is worse than anticipated now that it's clean.
I'm logging that in the severity index.
Ensure the photogrammetry captures the depth.
Look at the extent of this corrosion on the hydraulic systems.
Yeah, we'll need to replace these couplings before reassembly.
All right, clear the line. Ready when you are, power up.
Freshwater being used to flush saltwater residue from C-130 Hercules internal systems. Water running through various access panels, preventing further corrosion.
All right, move the platform up. Okay, I'm starting the rinse cycle now. Watch the squeegee on the edge.
Look at the extent of this corrosion on the lower pins.
Got it. The serial number is still legible right here.
Pin is clear. Okay, easy lift on the crane, watch the cables.
Documentation complete on the lower hinge. Copy.
Hoist, engage, and lift slowly. Keep an eye on the corrosion points as it clears.
Got the blade antenna off, heavy corrosion on the base, roger that.
Logging AS5422. Condition is severely degraded.
Okay, pressure steady. I've got the bottom clear. Slow and easy, watch the edge.
Make sure the tolerance is exact on this edge.
Got it. It matches the print perfectly.
How's the gap right here?
It's within tolerance. 0.04 millimeters.
Pressure bulkheads inside C-130 Hercules fuselage being restored, critical structural components reinforced, welding and metalwork.
Underside skin panels of C-130 Hercules being replaced, large sections of new aluminum, protecting against future corrosion.
Hold the bucking bar steady right there.
Okay, I've got it.
Hitting the pneumatic now. Hold it steady right there. Got it. Drilling now.
Tail cone section of C-130 Hercules undergoing structural repair. Damaged framework being rebuilt, maintaining original specifications. Landing gear bays in C-130 Hercules are being structurally restored, reinforcing mounting points, and critical load-bearing areas are rebuilt.
Cockpit window frames of C-130 Hercules being rebuilt, corrosion removed, structural integrity restored, precision metalwork.
Hydraulic fluid being drained from C-130 Hercules systems, contaminated fluid showing water intrusion, complete system flush required.
The starboard side scan is almost complete. How's the data alignment looking?
Looks good. No drift detected on the rear fuselage.
Total damage on the COS damage.
This damage on the C-130 is worse than anticipated. The landing gear stress is critical.
We can't ground the fleet based.
All right, she's free. Slow lift on the main hoist.
Lifting slowly, pressure steady.
Clear on this side, watch your starboard blade.
This pitting on the compressor blade is significant. Make sure you document the depth.
Got it. Photos coming through now.
Engine case of C-130 Hercules turboprop undergoing repair. Cracks being welded, mounting points restored, precision engineering.
Blade is seated correctly. Go ahead with the torque sequence.
Reading stable on the balancer.
Check the connections on the manifold. Make sure we're clear on the P3 line.
Looks good. All new components are secured and torqued.
New ignition systems being installed in C-130 Hercules engines, spark igniters and electrical connections, modern components.
The restoration is nearly complete. We just need to secure this panel.
Confirmed. The independent power source is fully restored.
Electrical generators for C-130 Hercules being rebuilt,
rewound, tested, ensuring adequate power generation.
Sequence B requires 150 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. Torque to specification?
Fuel lines are loose, Bendix connectors are next.
Roger that. Are we cleared for the hoist?
Almost. Need to check the secondary harnesses first. Easy now, bring it left slightly. Clear on this side, watch the stand. Lower it down, slow and steady.
Removal of second engine from C-130 Hercules. Empty engine nacelle visible where first was removed. Systematic disassembly process continuing.
All right, easy on the hydraulics.
Copy that, lowering slowly. All right, easy now. Take it up slow, clear the pylon. Watch your starboard side.
Landing gear assemblies from C-130 Hercules being completely rebuilt. Struts re-chromed, seals replaced, bearings renewed.
Wheels and brake assemblies for C-130 Hercules being restored. New brake pads, hydraulic cylinders rebuilt, wheels refinished.
Main landing gear assemblies being extracted from C-130 Hercules. Large wheels and struts on dollies. Heavy components requiring crane assistance.
Check the corrosion on this hinge. We need a full assessment before restoration.
It's worse than I thought, but structurally sound.
All right, let's get the specs logged.
Fuel tanks of C-130 Hercules being accessed and purged. Contaminated fuel removed. Internal tank corrosion inspection beginning.
Initiating the pitch control test sequence now.
Rotation is smooth. No binding detected on the new hydraulics.
Hydraulic pumps for C-130 Hercules being disassembled and rebuilt. Seals replaced, housing cleaned, and tested for proper pressure.
Did you get the torque setting confirmed?
Yes, 50 inch-pounds. Listen for the click. Check the tension setting.
Reading nominal, torque is good. Pressure test initiated. Holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Confirmed. No leaks detected.
Okay, bottle 3 secured and torqued, pressure holding steady.
Verified. Regulators and lines checked. Moving to masks and safety gear now. Fire bottles charged and secured. Roger that. Detection sensors are placed and continuity checked. Safety critical installation complete.
New electrical wiring harnesses being fabricated for C-130 Hercules. Thousands of wires, following original schematics, complex electrical work.
New aircraft batteries being installed in C-130 Hercules. Electrical system upgrades. Secure mounting.
Nav systems online, cross-referencing the GPS alignment data.
Looks good. The tactical map's loaded without errors.
Calibration sequence complete. The readings match the table data.
Confirmed. Fuel quantity indicating system is operational.
We're securing the pitted tube now.
And the static port calibration is complete. Airspeed systems checked.
The compressor is fully seated now.
Good. Let's get this main pressurization duct aligned before we torque the final clamps.
Wing and propeller de-icing systems being installed on C-130 Hercules. Heating elements and fluid distribution. Cold weather capability.
Aligning the module now.
HF and VHF antennas secured.
Switching to channel 1, green light confirmed. Verify the position on the standby indicator.
Reading confirmed. Standby systems are online and synchronized.
Final connections are secure. Go ahead and initiate the boot sequence.
Sequence initiated. All parameters nominal.
4 engines of C-130 Hercules being painted separately. Engine gray color. Professional finish on nacelles.
All right, pull the backing slowly now.
Checking the tolerance on the schematic. Looks centered. Absolutely stunning work. Check the rivets right here.
Flawless execution. This C-130 is cleared for final acceptance.